you just dip the tiniest little bit of honey, and this is awesome. I also have the organic version. This one has all the spices. Did you know pumpkin spice doesn't have pumpkin in it? It's just the spice that they put in pumpkin pie. You could make the spices yourself if you have normal honey and just add them to your bowl. You can eat them like this or just use it as topping with or instead of maple syrup. And it's a lot healthier. Honestly, getting healthier stuff is a lot cheaper, especially if you go to the farmer's market. Certain things that you get at the store normally are like 10 times more for not being organic or for not being raw. So it just doesn't make sense. Like nutritional yeast, I get way more at a nutritional store, and it's a lot cheaper, and it's bulk, and it's better, from my understanding anyway, than getting it at a normal grocery store for like 2 out of 10 the size. So yeah, this is just peaches and strawberry. You can also dry your strawberries if you have too many and have little snacks like strawberry chips.